Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm in the village. Okay, I'm still in the village, and we are going to deliver. We are going to do loadering here and a little bit of bathing. So yeah, I thought why not take you with us. As you can see, I'm carrying this one, and yeah, I use this one to carry the clothes when we will be going up. We are going to see all the process. We're going to see all the process. Let me show you the view of the load that you are using. You are using this small footpath over here. So this is a view, guys. As you can see, we are going to the river. The river is over there. The load is quite stony, as you can see. So guys, I'm going to Nairobi next week, and I'll start uploading videos because I've not been uploading because here the internet is very slow. Very slow. There's a day I tried to upload a video and it took forever. I had to cancel it. Tunaenda hivi. I had to cancel it because the internet is very slow. So guys, support me. Keep liking my videos. Okay, sharing and all that. We have already arrived to the river. You can see the river is over there, but you're looking for somewhere suitable where you'll be able to wash the clothes. Guy, nimedungwa. Somewhere where we have water over here. People have planted a lot of things in this river. I don't know whether you can see. There is some vegetables over there. So, in the village, we do laundry at the river, as you can see. You can see there is some irrigation over here. They are using this water to water the vegetables. This is sweet potato. There is even sweet potato over here. Can you see it? Yep. This one is kunde. They are called kunde in Kiswahili. So we have arrived. This is the spot where we are going to do our laundry. Whew. We have arrived. Whew, so tired. Guys, let me rest a little bit, then we continue with the video. Guys, we want to do our laundry now. Look at this. This is how in the village we wash clothes. Look at that. Look at that. Because there is no water, tap water and all that, so we want to wash. We have carried this soap, and this one is eco-friendly. This one, like, it doesn't have chemicals, so it will not harm anything in the river or so, or something like that. So don't say, oh, we went to use chemicals in the river, the fish are going to die. No, this one is eco-friendly, and we are going to use this one only, okay, and water. So let's get started. Let me put my camera where I don't know. We don't have somebody to shoot us, so we are going to improvise, okay? Let me set the camera, then we start. So guys, we are still washing. Can you see the water? There is some fish over here. Look at, some people are getting water from this place, so that the water can enter with that pipe to go there. I don't know. There's another pipe going over there. So they are using this water for irrigation. Yeah, we are with my sister here. She's washing. They have to finish to wash and then we can hang them. We are going to hang them. I don't know whether we are going to hang them here or we will go at home and hang them there. I don't know. Today is so cold, guys. Can you see the cloud? We were to wash the clothes, we put them to dry and then we bathe. But it's so cold. Look at the cloud. It's so chilly. I don't know whether we will be able to shower. But the water is so cold, guys. You just need to shower the legs. You bathe the legs only and go home. Maybe. Okay. Yep. See the liver, guys. The liver is so small. Let me tell you the reason why it's so small. The reason to why it's so small like this liver was big when we were kids. This liver was so huge. But now it's small. Do you know why? Because like that one is a pipe over here. That one is a pipe getting water for irrigation. There's another one over there. So like most of the people have done like that. Most of the people have done like that, like from town, each and every home. If they don't have water at home, they have fetch water for irrigation. That's why you see the water is very small. Otherwise, the water was from there to here, up to there. Up to there. It was coming all the way like that, like flowing like that. From here to there. Now, the water is so small. I've been surprised too. I was surprised to see this river is small because people have been taking water for irrigation. As you can see, there's a pipe here. This is a pipe. This is fetching water. They're fetching water here to go irrigate with it. There's another pipe here. This one is taking also water. You have seen some irrigation over there, some greens. I will show you when you've been going out. All this water is coming from the river. Tell me if 10 or 20 families have done like that. The water will not be enough. Yeah, guys, so let's continue with our washing. I'll see you in a bit when you're almost done, okay? So guys, I want to wash the stone over here so that I can brush some of the clothes. They are so dirty because you know here in the village, my nieces, they play in the mud, in the sand, so the clothes are so dirty. So I have to use the brush because if I use my hand is going to be so painful. Or I'm going to hurt my hand. So this is how you do it. Come and show them. Now after you have washed the stone like that, you put the clothes over there. You put the soap like this. And then now blush. Like this. You see this one has pepper pig. This is how we do it. We don't have washing machine in the village. So, you see? And you pour water like that. And that is it, guys. Then after that, I'll dip into it in the water like this and rinse, and later rinse with the clean water, and we are done. This is how we do it. I want to show you. These are the names for my niece. This one. It's so dirty. I'm showing how to do it. I can brush up. There is a fish over here. I dip like this. See how clean it is. Oh, I'm so tired. Tuanike no? So guys, I'm going to hang this up, then we continue with our business. When I was telling you they are so dirty, you cannot manage to wash with hands only. Look at that water. Huh? You have to wash with the brush, otherwise, hey, your hands are going to get bruises. Look at that water. Huh? And we keep changing the water. Look at this sand. Do you know this sand is the one they harvest? This one. This is the sand they harvest to go to make houses with. This one. They are mostly harvested in rivers or dry places like this. This one can be harvested to make house. Do you know that? It's along the river. So we are almost done, guys. Okay, stay connected. So guys, we are done washing. So I want to wash the basin. Then we leave and go home. I want to wash the basin so that we can put the clothes. And then we rinse and go. We are done washing now. We are just rinsing and then we go home. Oh God, oh. These ones, they are so dirty. See, it's like they have never been washed. And they want to rain, guys, so we want to hurry up. We go home before it rains. Actually, it's drizzling. That's why you can see I'm wearing a hoodie, a sweater. Because it wants to rain. Now let's start rinsing our clothes one by one. Then so I'll rinse from here, from the water direct. Then I put in the basin so that I'll just carry off and come to dry. Go home. So guys, if you missed it, as I said earlier, we are using eco-friendly soap. It doesn't have chemicals, so it's not going to harm any water animal or creature because the soap is eco-friendly. It doesn't have chemicals or or stuff like those. Yeah. We used to do this when we were kids, and it was so much fun. Then I used to enjoy my fun. Actually, we used to swim in this river. We used to come on Sundays after church and swim. You know, for those who don't know, now I'm in the village. I went to see my grandmother, my real grandmother. So this is my home village. Not the one I was in last week, no. This is my home village. The other one I just went to shoot videos. It's not my home. This is now my home village. So this river is where we used to fetch water when we were kids. We used to fetch water for cooking, everything here. We used to swim in this river. I came to see my grandmother and I thought, why not shoot 1 or 2 videos? But the rest of the videos, the one for morning routine, making foreign tuition, I was not at home. I was making them in I want to make videos somewhere. I want to make videos somewhere. So I said before I go home, why not, before I go to Nairobi, why not come and say hi to my grandmother over here? And I decided to do one or 2 videos. Guys. Oh! Because this one is bringing so much memories. Okay? Childhood memories. Ah! What? A lot of water. Guys, so let's finish rinsing the clothes. I'll see you when we'll be going at home, okay? See you later. Jonah rinse. I'm shooting you. Ooh, this is my sister, guys, if you don't know her. We came together to say hi to my grandmother. Let me shoot her a little bit while rinsing the clothes. So you miss this live, eh? Ulikuwa umemisi maisha? Huku hakuna bills, you don't pay bills here. Unatumia maji venye unataka. Free of charge. Huku kwani mnatumianga maji kwa kwenye unaishi Nairobi? Mnatumianga na mita ama? Wow. Mnakumbuka tukiswim kwa hii dam, kwa hii nini? Guys, here there was a big dam. As I have told you, this is my home village. I came to visit my grandmother before I went back to Nairobi. I went to the previous videos that you were watching. I was shooting videos. It was not my home village, so I came here to say hi to my grandmother. And then I decided why not shoot one of the videos. This is my home village. We used to swim in this. Unakumbuka kaki? Tauma kanisa tukitoka church. There was a big dam over here. The water is small nowadays. I don't know why. We used to swim here. Swimming. And then we will be beaten because we will be beaten at home. We were forbidden to swim, but you know, children, they are so rebellious. We would come and swim, and then put our clothes in there was a big stone over here. I'm telling you, those memories were so sweet. So sweet. Now you see why the water is not enough, because of this pipe. People are harvesting water. You see, those pipes are taking water for irrigation. There's another pipe over there. It's also harvesting water. That's why the water is small. This river was big, I'm telling you, when we were kids. It was so big. It used to go up to there and up to this side there. So this hole was a dam. Used to swim. And there was a, and then unakumbuka hii mti ilikuwa inazaa maembe. We used to come to tree mango to eat mangoes over this tree. This is a mango tree, guys. We used to come and eat mangoes over here. Hey, from this tree, and there's another one over there. That one too. It used to have mangoes a lot. Mango season. We used to come and eat mangoes like nobody's business. On Sundays. Hey, I'm telling you. All after school. Huh? These are so, their memories, beautiful memories. So we are done, guys. So I'm going to carry this one. I've already rinsed, as you can see earlier, and she is done rinsing hers. She will carry that one, and then we go, because it's not sunny. You see, it's so crowded. We are not going to hang them here. The weather is so chilly today. If it was sunny, we would have hung them over here so that they can dry in that stone over there or this one. But because it's not sunny, we are going to hang them at home. We carry them like this. We'll hang them at home to dry. Yeah, because you see the way they were dirty, guys, you could have not fetched water for all those clothes, and the way they are dirty. They needed to come to the river. And then I said, why not show these people how we do our laundry over here? So see you guys when we'll be going home, okay? We are going home, guys. This is how we carry the clothes. Let me put my clothes. Oh my God, usienda mbele, usinipite nini. Usisahau kubakisha kitu ya kununua. So we carry like this up to home, and then we hang them, guys. I don't know whether I'll be able to shoot when we'll be on our way, because we are just the two of us, and my sister is going to carry that machine, and I'm carrying this one. It will be hard to shoot. I think I have to end this video over here, guys, because we have a hill. We have to climb the hill. I will show them that's the hill up to home. That one, you have to climb that hill up to home. Okay, guys? So it will be hard to shoot when we are carrying. Like, it will be hard to shoot when you are carrying this thing and we are the two of us. So I'll end this video, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, okay? Like the video, share the video, and comment. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. Guys, support me. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Bye. Thank you for the love. See you later. Bye.